Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate your age using Microsoft Excel. Let me open a Microsoft Excel sheet and I have to enter some data into these cells so that I could calculate years, months and total days. Let me insert the initial date. Shortcut for inserting the initial date is Control semicolon. Let me fill in the data for initial and final dates. After inserting the initial and final dates, let us calculate the total number of years. Insert the formula dash date diff bracket start initial date comma final date comma double quotation capital Y again double quotation bracket close, click enter. Now you can see that Excel has calculated the age 2001 to 2022. Now we can just drag it down to apply to the rest of the cells. You can see formula has been copied to the rest of the cells. Now the same formula can be written for the months, except we have to enter M instead of Y. Let me show you. Is equal to date diff bracket start initial date comma final date comma double quotation. Now we will enter M for months, again double quotation bracket close, enter 252 months. Just double click and the formula will be copied to the rest of the cells. Now for months, again we will write the formula in the same way, and now we would insert D for days, double quotation bracket close, enter. These are the number of the days. Now we can just drag this plus signs to copy the formula to the rest of the cells. How easy this is. Now these 21 years has 252 months and 7,670 days. This is how we can find difference between initial date and final date in terms of years, in terms of months and days. I hope you have found this video useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.